Hi, artists. We are going to look at a website called sketchpad.io or sketch.io. So, first, you can click on the link that I provide, or it's, again, very simple to type in sketch.io. When you first get to it, you're going to get a page like this for Sketchpad, and you need to select English. After you do that, it's going to take you into the actual drawing tool, which is a really fun website and tool to be using. So you are going to have down here all sorts of pens, markers, paints, different. I'm on calligraphy pen right now. And there are all sorts of tools, just like we would use in the art studio, that you can be using on this website. So take some time, it's this third one down here, and see what it looks like if you draw with the calligraphy pen versus drawing with, for instance, the paintbrush. So you're going to get a lot of different types of marks just depending on what tool you're using. Then, as you go in, you're going to be able to see you can change the color, the fill for all of these different tools that you would be working with. So I can use the crayon tool in this beautiful lilac color. I can then switch and use the tile brush in a really fun, bright, let's do orange color. And I can find all of these different wonderful colors and tools to be using. One of my favorite tools on here is actually this little guy right down here called Sketchy, and I call him Mr. Sketchy. But he will fill in just kind of like you are drawing with a pencil and making all sorts of beautiful sketched lines as you're drawing. So that's one of my favorite tools to be using here. All right. Your job today is to experiment and find out all of the different tools you can be using on this website. If you have something you like, there is an option to export and save down here on the left. And if you don't like what you made, that's okay too. We can try it again another day, or just the fact that you were trying it out is good for me. So if you want to, you can click this plus sign and have a totally new page or creation popping up. All right. Try it out, artists, and see how you like sketchpad.io.